Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins at the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans ended Wednesday's session mixed after being higher for much of the session. Nearbys were still able to extend their bounce off of last week's lows, expecting tariff waivers at least at some point in the next few days from China. Deferred contracts were down on the uncertainties about those tariff waivers and the expected record crop out of Brazil. Corn ended the session modestly higher, supported by short covering, also keeping an eye on conditions in South America, along with U.S. pre-planting weather. USDA's prospective planting numbers are out at the end of the month. And wheat was lower. Wheat futures in Paris and Russia were lower heading into the U.S. session, and on top of that, the global supply outlook continues to be bearish. Live and feeder cattle were higher on an oversold bounce after Tuesday's decline, in addition to a sharply higher move in the Dow Jones Industrial Average, eventually closing almost 1,200 points higher. Still, there was another round of sharply lower direct cash cattle business during the session. And hogs were higher, supported by short covering and steady to higher cash during the session. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.